ম্যাট্রিকুলার নতুন ইউটিউব চ্যানেল ম্যাট্রিকুলা বাংলায় তোমাদের সকলকে স্বাগত জানাই। আশা করি তোমরা সবাই ভালো আছো এবং তোমাদের 2024 উচ্চ মাধ্যমিকের পরীক্ষা খুব ভালো হয়েছে। এই ভিডিওতে আমি কম্পিউটার সায়েন্সের উত্তরগুলি দেখাবো, তোমরা একে একে মিলিয়ে নাও। মাল্টিপল চয়েস টাইপ কোয়েশ্চেন্স 1. Find out the correct answer out of the options given against each question. মার্কস থাকছে 1. 1 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, how many NAND gates are required to design a SR flip-flop using NAND gate? Option number 1 4, option B 5, option C 3, option D 1. সঠিক উত্তর option A 4. 2 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, the full form of PISO PISO is option number A port input serial output, B parallel in sequential out, C parallel in serial out অথবা D partial input sequential output. সঠিক উত্তর C parallel in serial out. 3 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, in JK flip-flop when both inputs are 1 then অপশনসগুলি তোমরা দেখে নাও। সঠিক উত্তরটি হলো D. 4 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, when a digital clock pulse changes from low to high state is called A positive transition, B uniform transition, C differential transition or D negative transition. সঠিক উত্তর A positive transition. 5 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, a flip-flop can store bit memory at a time A 2, B 1, C 8 অথবা D 4. সঠিক উত্তর B 1. 6 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, in C programming a pointer variable is denoted by অপশনসগুলি তোমরা দেখে নাও। সঠিক উত্তরটি হলো B. 7 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, in C programming language to open a text file in A mode means A add mode, B write mode, C append mode or D read mode. সঠিক উত্তর C append mode. 8 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, by which of the following function some additional memory can be allocated dynamically? A relocation, B calloc, C reloc or D extra location. সঠিক উত্তর C reloc. 9 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, in C language which of the following statement is used to print the value of integer variable A? অপশনসগুলি তোমরা দেখে নাও। সঠিক উত্তরটি হলো অপশন A. 10 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, which of the following is non-linear data structure? A stack, B queue, C tree or D linked list. সঠিক উত্তর C tree. 11 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, the difference between highest and lowest frequency during data transmission over a network system is known as A channel capacity, B bandwidth, C band or D baud rate. সঠিক উত্তরটি হলো B bandwidth. 12 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, when a network is spread over a city it is generally known as a LAN, B MAN, C WAN or D CAN. সঠিক উত্তর B MAN. 13 নম্বর প্রশ্নটি হলো, full form of ISP is A internet service provider, B intranet service provider, C internet service platform or D internet social platform. সঠিক উত্তর A internet service provider. 14 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, the overall data in a database of a particular moment is known as A indexing, B instance, C schema or D backup. সঠিক উত্তরটি হলো B instance. 15 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, which of the following command will be used to add a new attribute in a database? A update, B new, C alter or D none of these. সঠিক উত্তর C alter. 16 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, update is a dash command. A DCL, B DML, C DUL or D DDL. সঠিক উত্তরটি হলো B DML. 17 নম্বর প্রশ্নটি হলো, in an ER diagram of a database a rectangle represents A an entity, B an attribute, C a relationship or D a key. সঠিক উত্তর A an entity. 18 নম্বর প্রশ্নটি হলো, which of the following is an example of transitive dependency? অপশনগুলি তোমরা দেখে নাও। সঠিক উত্তরটি হলো B. 19 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, for which of the following operations TT symbol is used in RDBMS? Option A set difference, B set union, C selection or D projection. সঠিক উত্তরটি হলো D projection। 20 নম্বর প্রশ্নটি হলো which of the following SQL function is used to know how many records are there in a database table? A max, B count, C sum or D both B and C. সঠিক উত্তরটি হলো B count। 11 নম্বর প্রশ্ন in C++, a function contained in a class is called a mother function, B an operator, C a class function or D a method. সঠিক উত্তর হলো a member function। Short answer type questions 2 answer the following questions, alternatives are to be noted। মার্কস রয়েছে 1 নম্বর প্রশ্ন write two characteristics of latch। Answer memory element, a latch is a sequential logic circuit element that has memory. It retains its output state until it receives another input signal to change its state। Level sensitive, latches are level sensitive devices, meaning they respond to the level high or low of the control signal rather than to its age। 2 নম্বর প্রশ্ন write the truth table of JK flip flop। উত্তরটি তোমরা দেখে নাও। or write the truth table of SR flip flop। উত্তরটি তোমরা দেখে নাও। 3 নম্বর প্রশ্ন what is the function of clock pulse? Answer the clock pulse is a signal that synchronizes the operation of digital circuits by controlling the timing of their operations। or what do you mean by race condition? Answer a race condition is a situation in computing where the behavior of software or hardware depends on the timing or sequence of the other uncontrollable events। It occurs when two or more processes or threads attempt to modify shared data at the same time। 4 নম্বর প্রশ্ন define pointer in C language and give example। Answer a pointer is a variable that stores the memory address of another variable as its value। A pointer variable points to a data type of the same type and is created with the operator। 5 নম্বর প্রশ্ন write two features of stack। Answer two features of stack। A stack follows the LIFO principle, last in first out, and last inserted element will be the first to get removed। B insertion and deletion are allowed at the end only, example the top of the stack। or how many variables are required to count the index of a queue and what are those? Answer for implementing queue we need to keep track of two indices, front and rear। We enqueue an item at the rear and dequeue an item from the front। If we simplify increment front and rear indices, then there may be problems. The front may reach the end of the array। 6 নম্বর প্রশ্ন find out the prefix expression a plus b into c divided by d minus b। আনসারটি তোমরা দেখে নাও। 7 নম্বর প্রশ্ন what do you mean by unguided media? Give example। Answer unguided media are also known as wireless or unbounded media, refer to the transmission medium through which signals propagate freely in the air or space। Examples radio waves, this is used for broadcasting radio and television signals as well as for wireless communication such as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth। or write one advantage and one disadvantage of bus topology। Answer one advantage of bus topology is its simplicity and cost effectiveness। It requires minimal cabling, making it easy to set up and maintain compared to other network topologies। One disadvantage of bus topology is its susceptibility to signal point failures. If the main cable is damaged or experiences a failure, the entire network can be affected, leading to communication breakdowns for all connected devices। 8 নম্বর প্রশ্ন write the full form of CSMA or CD। Answer the full form of CSMA or CD is carrier sense multiple access or collision detection। 9 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, write two names of web browser. Answer, Mozilla Firefox and Google Chrome are two names of web browser. 10 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, what is the difference between the UL and OL tags in HTML? Answer, an unordered list is used to create a list of items in no particular order. Example, the order of items is not relevant. By default, the items in this list will be marked with bullets, whereas an ordered list is used to create a list of items in a specific order. 11 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, write the code in HTML to link the webpage 2.html from webpage 1.html. উত্তরটি তোমরা দেখে নাও। 12 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, what is the function of SUP tag? Answer, the SUP tag in HTML is used to define superscript text. Superscript text appears slightly above the normal line of text and is commonly used for footnotes, mathematical exponents and annotations. 13 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, what do you mean by 2NF? Answer, the second normal form is based on the concept of fully functional dependency. The second normal form applies to relations with composite keys, that is, relations with a primary key composed of two or more attributes. A relation with a single attribute primary key is automatically in at least 2NF. Or, what is the main function of DBA? Answer, a database administrator or DBA is responsible for monitoring, securing and operating database and also ensures that data is correctly stored and retrieved. 14 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, what do you mean by data abstraction in OOP? Answer, modern programming languages that incorporate OOP methodologies commonly use data abstraction to hide the low-level details of the programming constructs that define the underlying logic, which in turn simplifies and streamlines the development process. Object-oriented programming organizes software design around data objects rather than functions or logic. Data abstraction is a key characteristic of OOP that implemented using classes and objects. Or, what is the meaning of data inheritance? Answer, data inheritance refers to the ability of a subclass in object-oriented programming to inherit attributes and behaviors from a superclass, enabling code reuse and hierarchical organization. 15 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, what is the role destructor in OOP? Answer, destructor in OOP performs cleanup tasks, deallocating resources held by an object when it goes out of scope or is explicitly deleted, preventing memory leaks. আশা করি তোমরা সমস্ত উত্তর ভালো করে মিলিয়ে নিয়েছো। অন্যান্য প্রশ্নের উত্তর পাওয়ার জন্য ম্যাট্রিকুলা বাংলার ইউটিউব চ্যানেলে চোখ রাখো।